about your buying decision process on basis of your design thinking approach. But before going into your buying decision process and design thinking approach, first I'll explain what is buying decision process. Buying decision process is a series of steps which a consumer goes through during or before, during and after the purchase of your products. Okay, and there are about 5 different steps which is involved in your buying decision process. The first step involved in the process is recognizing your needs and your problems. Second step during your buying decision process is gathering the information about the product and evaluating the information which is being collected by your consumers. Third step involved in the process is to compare available options. Fourth step is to make the purchase decisions, and once the purchase is being made, the first final step involved in the process is to reflect on with the experiences what the consumer has experienced with your products. Clear? So this is said to be a buying decision process.
Step 1. Design thinking means consumer psychology, human-centered, deep understanding of real customer needs and motivation. Insight-driven, converting observation into actionable problem statement. Solution-focused, creating and testing options that match expectations. Step 2. Six steps involved with framework. First step, empathize, understanding buyer needs realization. Step 2, define, clarifying and customer problem. Step 3, generating solution alternatives. Step 4, prototype, creating testable options. Step 5, test, improving through feedback. Step 6, implement, enhancing post-purchase.
So the fourth type involved in the process is prototype phase. Create trial versions to reduce perceived risk, demo units at a retail stores, beta testing programs, sample applications, trial subscription plans. And fifth step is prototype testing. Gather feedback to improve before launch. Example, users test camera quality and gaming performance. Feedback drives UI improvements and battery automation.
Now I will tell about empathize, understanding buyers' needs and recognitions. Research tools, customer interviews, behavior survey, direct observation, empathy mapping. Real examples: mobile battery pain point. Mobile brands discover and struggle with battery life during travel and long work days. Hidden needs trigger that start the buying decision process. Marketing management by define the problems. Convert insight into the pricing statement. Younger user need phones lasting full days without charging. Ideate solution. Brainstorm future and option customer will evaluate. Fast charging technology, power efficient process, battery health monitoring.
Fifth step involved in this: implement and support, enhancing post-purchase experience, continuous updates, regular software improvements and feature enhancements, quick service, responsive customer service and warranty programs, loyalty benefits, rewards programs, exclusive membership breaks, satisfaction focus, building repeated purchases and positive word of mouth. Key takeaways: customer empathy drives success. Deep understanding of needs creates better products and experiences. Clear problem definition matter. Precise statement guide meaningful product and marketing decisions. Testing reduce risk. Customer feedback ensures products meet expectations before launch. Post-purchase building loyalty. Implementing and support strengths, satisfying and retention. Smooth customer journey. Design thinking creates human-centered buying experience. So to conclude, design thinking approach in the buying decision process helps the organization or the concern to learn the real needs of your consumers and the steps. What are the steps actually the consumer goes through during the purchase process, during the search of information and the decision of your purchase process as well as the post-purchase behavior. It will help the organization to give better solutions for your consumers, so that the organization will be having a much higher satisfaction and your customer loyalty. Yeah? So buying decision process is a series of steps which are involved in your in the search of your information, buying decision of your products as well as your post-purchase evaluation process. Yeah? Thank you.